Hey guys, hope you're doing good. Today we're going to see how you can add a small video bubble widget, to your landing page or to your website, or even to your SaaS applications like this. So you can add an interactive video bubble widget just like this to collect emails, or even to collect, or even to showcase your customer testimonial video. Or let's say you need to explain a quick walkthrough to your digital product or even to your service, or even you run a webinar and you want to customer to attend the webinar. You can choose this video bubble on your landing page and display display it basically. So we developed Popsuite to do the same. It helps you to add a small video bubble, uh, and you know, and there are a lot of use cases that you can use this video bubble. Like you can even use it to your SaaS applications, or even to onboard your customers, for SaaS applications, or even give a quick walkthrough video, see how it works. So so let's start. So get started. You can even edit a video, or you can click create a new video. So we have a lot of widgets coming soon in future. So now we have a bubble widget. So let's see how it's done. So right now we have like we can give a name to the widget. So I'm going to give it as trial bubble. So you can also choose a size. It should be small, medium, or large, and even the position also of your widget. Should it be displayed on a left side or even on right side? You can choose. I can giving it as left. You can also type shape of your widget. Should it be circle, square, or rectangle? If you have a rectangle video, you can also use this rectangle video to uh, and give a rectangle shape. I'm giving it a square. Also choose the border color and giving it as a red, for this purpose. And I want to display this widget on this page particularly. This is a demo for demo purpose. So and this particular landing page is built on system.io. You can use any landing page, and this our tool works on any landing page. Paste it here, give a heading to it. You can give it as a testing. There's a subheading, so it appears here, and you can choose image or GIF to appear, or even as a video. So let's see, video is done. You can upload a new video, or even you can use any of the videos which you have uploaded. So I'm going to use this. So so it's all done. You can also give a countdown timer to give an FOMO effect, or you can use a coupon code if you have a coupon code and display it on your widget. That also, and coming to button. So I wanted to redirect to my product page. So I'm going to give a name shop now, and link as a dot teaser.in. So I want people to come here. You can also give it as a form or a FB Messenger, even it's a Calendly to book appointments. So right now I want a shop now here, add a widget. So yeah, it's done. So after that, you want to do publish. So click on publish, copy this script code and paste, and click the enable. Don't forget to click this enable option. So widget is enabled now, and I want it on my this landing page. So this landing page is again uh, built on system.io. You can use any of your landing page. So I am pasting in on edit footer code, pasting it here. You can use any of your landing page. It works on any landing page or any website. So all you need to is to find the footer code and put the script on the footer code. So click save changes and click on it. As you can see, the video is working, and if you click, it goes to the basically it goes to landing page. So as you can see, it's landing here. So this is how it's simple and easy to use.